Welcome back, children. This is our school, Sri KV English School, ICSC CVB campus, Chikbalapur. I am Mr. Ali Umran and I am handling class 5 and I am handling subject social studies. See, before we introduce the topic, I would like to introduce our trust, Sri KV and P Trust, registered Chikbalapur, Karnataka. And also I would like to introduce our great founder chairman, Sri CV Venkatrayappa, ex-MLA. And I would like to introduce our chairman, Sri KV Naveen Kiran, and he is the present chairman of our KV and P Trust, Chikbalapur, Karnataka. Children, welcome back to the new session. And in the last classes, we have discussed the two most important stages of early man. And we have discussed the Paleolithic age in detail. And we have also discussed the main features and the main developments that were taken in man's life, that is in the Paleolithic age. And we have also discussed the Mesolithic age or the Middle Stone age. And we have also discussed various developments and various improvements in man's life. And today we are going to discuss the third stage of man, that is in the Neolithic age or in the New Stone age. Children, remember, in various stages, man keep on improving his life. Man keep on introducing new things, that is in order to overcome all his difficulties. But the most interesting and most important changes that were taken place in the Neolithic age were remarkable in the life of man. The word neo and lithic is taken from Latin. Neo means new and lithic means stone. Thus, this stage of time period is called the New Stone Age. This age begins with the introduction of agriculture. The stone tools became finer and sharper. Bone and wood tools were also improved. Farming with various techniques in different parts of the world developed from 9000 BCE to 6000 BCE. Thus, a hunter-gatherer and wanderer for food became farmer. See, this is the most important development taken in man's life. A hunter turned into a farmer. This is the main feature of the Neolithic age. And children, remember, Neolithic, the word Neolithic is taken from two Latin words, neo and lithic. Neo means new, lithic means stone. Thus, this stage of period is called the New Stone Age or the Neolithic age. And this stage began with the introduction of agriculture. In the Middle Stone Age, man developed the art of knowing, the technique of growing trees and plants. That means he learned the art of growing trees and plants. And in the New Stone Age, man introduced agriculture and he started to grow crops, that is for his food, and thus once a hunter, once a food gatherer, and once a wanderer became a farmer. And this is very interesting to say that a hunter became farmer, and this is the stage where man began to settle permanently at one place. In the last session, I have told you already, man began to stay near the water holes, and man now began to search some other important places in the forest where he can manage to grow crops, where he can manage to get more and more water in order to grow crops. And thus man started to live near the permanent water sources like the rivers. During this stage, tools also became very sharper and very finer, and he made sharper and finer tools, and he made handy and small tools. During this stage of time, he started to make use of bone and wood, and that is found freely, that is in the nature. He used sharp bones and he used wood in order to kill animals, and in order to he used some other tools and weapons in order to clear the forest, and he started to clear forest in order to grow crops. Thus, farming with various techniques in different parts of the world developed from 9,000 to 6,000 BCE. Within 3,000 years, man developed to the maximum extent, and he put an end to his wandering life, and he put an end to his hunting occupation, and he permanently became a farmer, and he managed to grow food in his place where he started to live. Thus, a hunter-gatherer and wanderer for food became a farmer, and during this stage, man learned all the techniques of growing crops, that is within his place, and thus he became permanently a farmer. Now these are some of the pictures. Children, you can compare all the slides which is sent already. See, we can see the posture of the Neolithic man. He appeared very clean and he appeared perfect, and we can see his appearance and changes of his physical posture, and we can see clearly his physical appearance, and with the perfect appearance and with the perfect arms and with the perfect body positions, he started to use, and he started to make use of nature, that is for his benefits. And the new Stone Age indicates that the development of new Stone Age was more gradual and sudden. Beside farming, pottery making is another activity which has different periods of origin in different parts of the world. At some places, it appeared before agriculture, like in Japan, and at certain places, agriculture predates pottery. And this is very interesting to note that man taking his, man is diverting towards other activities apart from agriculture, apart from hunting. Man is diverting his activities towards other fields. It clearly shows that man calculated the need of using utensils that is for his life, and thus man started to make pots. The pots clearly indicates that in some places pots were made before agriculture, like Japan, and in some other parts of the world pots appeared after the agriculture. The point here is man is diverting towards the fullest and the maximum development. He is taking care of his own life, and he is taking care of his health, and he is taking care of everything. And with the development of agriculture, man did not turn back. Man started to go ahead in all other fields. Thus, he is slowly trying to improve his life, and he is slowly trying to solve all his burdens, and he is slowly trying to reduce his burdens, and he is keep on moving towards further and further. That is for his developments. Now, sorry for delay. These are some of the pictures showing the life of man. See how they are moving in groups, wearing clothes, looking perfect, and taking part in agricultural activities. The other slide is showing agricultural work, carried by the early humans along with the animals. Now they have learned the art of domesticating animals also. They started to make use of animals, and they started to make use of animals that is for their food, milk and hides, and thus farmer became shepherd also. During the next stages, man started to domesticate so many animals in order to make use of various uses of animals. In the bottom slide, I am showing some pictures of pottery, and beginning stage the pots were not fit, and the pots were not very strong. But in the later on stages, man made earthen pots, and in the later on stages he decorated the pots with his artistic skill, and in the later on stage he started to bake the pots, that is heating the pots, or heating the pots means baking the pots means heating them and making them very strong, and with the help of fire and with the help of sunlight he started to make these pots very handy and very strong. And this is something which is very interesting, to say that man carrying all his activities, that is for his progress and that is for his development. Thank you, children, for watching this session. Hope you understood the lesson very well, and again and again I am repeating, and again I am asking, please let me know if there is any problem with learning. Why? Because I am trying to teach slowly, and still I have to complete this topic. Next slide, definitely I will complete the topic. Thank you for watching this session, and I am going to insert a video related to this topic. Please watch this video also, and thank you once again.
Smile and learn. 5 things you should know about Neolithic times. prehistory is divided into two major stages, the Stone Age and the Age of Metals. The Neolithic period is the last stage of the Stone Age. Neolithic times began with the practice of agriculture and cattle raising. The word Neolithic means new stone, and this explains why the stone tools that appeared during this period were much more elaborate than Paleolithic tools. The beginning of Neolithic times is marked by the practice of agriculture and cattle raising. During this stage, humans started to domesticate animals like goats, sheep, and cows. These first farm animals were kept for their meat, milk, and skin. During Neolithic times, people started to cultivate the land to grow food, planting cereal like wheat or barley. For this reason, they stopped being nomads, and their lifestyle became sedentary. They didn't have to travel to look for food. They had everything they needed in their villages. Neolithic times are marked by the first settlements found near fertile land, where there was plenty of water. They needed water for their animals and crops. Cattle raising and cultivating the land improved their diet. That's why populations started to grow. Small villages were growing bigger and bigger, and this brought in new ways of social organization. Tribal chiefs were responsible for the safety of the village and the well-being of the people. The first man-made stone tools appeared in Paleolithic times, becoming more elaborate during Neolithic times. The main difference was that these tools were no longer made by striking two stones together. They were made by friction polishing, meaning they were sharper and more durable. It was now easier to hunt and cultivate the land more effectively. Neolithic people invented the plow and the sickle, which they used for plowing and harvesting their crops. One of the most important tools was the hand mill. It was used during the Neolithic times to grind grains. During this stage, a very important tool was invented, the wheel. That made agricultural tasks much easier. This invention is equally important in modern times as well, as it is impossible to imagine life without it. Don't you think so? Other significant inventions took place as well, like the loom, which Neolithic people used for weaving clothes and tapestry. Thanks to this invention, they also managed to make the first sails, which helped them to navigate the seas using the force of the wind. Neolithic people are also known for discovering pottery and making ceramics. The first megalithic structures appeared as well. They are thought to have been used as burial and worship sites. Villages were growing bigger and bigger, and people started using metal tools in their everyday tasks. The use of metal tools marks the end of the Neolithic period and the beginning of the Age of Metals, a new stage in prehistory. These are the 5 things you should know about this time period. Did you like learning about them?